In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with Wix. Start by logging into your Wix dashboard. Once you are signed in, choose the website you want to connect to Mailchimp. This is important if you manage more than one site in your Wix account, because you want to make sure the integration is added to the correct one from the beginning. After that, look over to the left-hand sidebar. Find Apps, then hover over it to open the menu. From there, click App Market. This is where Wix lets you browse and install tools that connect extra features to your site. When the App Market opens, go to the search bar at the top and type in Mailchimp. You should then see a list of results. From that list, select the official Mailchimp by Intuit Mailchimp app. Make sure you choose the official version so the connection is secure and works properly with your Wix site. Next, click the Add to Site button. Wix will then show you a confirmation window. In that window, you will see the permissions the app needs in order to sync information between Wix and Mailchimp. Take a moment to review that information so you understand what access is being requested. Once you are ready, click Agree and Add to Continue. After the app installs, you will see an option that says Finish your connection. Click that to move to the integration setup page. This step takes you from the installation part into the actual account connection process. From there, Wix may prompt you to sign in to your Mailchimp account. If that happens, enter your Mailchimp login details and continue. This allows Mailchimp to verify your account and complete the link between both platforms. Once you are signed in, the integration process can move forward from the setup page. At this stage, the main goal is simply to make sure Wix and Mailchimp are connected properly, so take your time and follow the prompts on screen carefully. If anything looks unfamiliar, just read each page before clicking through, since Wix and Mailchimp may occasionally update the wording or layout. That covers everything you need to know.